Hi viewers, Science MCQ for all competitive exam. First question, who is known as the father of computer? The right answer option A, Charles Babbage. And move on next question. What does HTTP stands for in website URL? The right answer option B, Hypertext Transport Protocol is the right answer. And next question, which part of the human brain is responsible for intelligence and memory? The right answer option A, cerebellum is the right answer. And next question, what is the smallest unit of data in computer? The right answer option A, bit. And move on next question, which Indian space mission successfully placed a spacecraft in Mars orbit in first attempt? The right answer option B, Mangalayana. And move on next question, who discovered X-rays? The right answer option D, William Röntgen. And next question, what is the chemical formula of ozone? The right answer option B, O3. And move on next question, which fundamental force is responsible for keeping the planets in orbit around the sun? The right answer option C, gravitational force. And move on next question, what does AI stands for in technology? The right answer option C, artificial intelligence is the right answer. And move on next question, and this is the last question, what is the full form of DNA? The right answer option A, deoxyribonucleic acid is the right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.